Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm at the service center. I just dropped my vehicle off to get it fixed, to get my cameras fixed. You probably saw that in the last video. But they have some Gen 2s here. I'm going to check them out. And we're going to just go over the exterior. Obviously, I won't be able to get inside of these vehicles. So we're just looking, kind of peek through the window and look at the exterior and kind of see if we can notice what difference there are between the Gen 1 and Gen 2 and kind of talk about, you know, how we may feel about Rivian making these massive updates to this vehicle, especially if you just purchased one. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, right here we have the Gen 2 R1S. I'm at the service center and I just come here to check these things out. And man, these are actually decent looking. And these are 22s. This is the Aero package. It's pretty nice looking. And just going around here, one of the differences I see has this little dimple in the door. I'm not sure what that's for, but someone in the comment section would know. Yeah, those Pirellis look pretty nice. And they're just going around back. Of course, the R1S, it has the black right here, and this is a dual motor, obviously, standard pack, and you see the segmentation right here with the lights. But not outside of that, not a lot of difference with the exterior of the vehicle. Of course, the camera that normally goes right here in the Gen 1 is not here anymore, and you have a camera right here, and then this camera right here in the mirror, and you also have one right here, and this is the one for the this is the one this is new. This is the one that's not on the Gen 1. And so this camera right here is for your blind spot, which is pretty cool. It's in a better position than the one that we have in my vehicle. Obviously, I can't really tell because mine doesn't work right now, but hopefully they get it fixed. But yeah, so and just coming around the front. Of course, the lights look a little different. And they did move. These are also different. These are the turn signals now. And obviously you see this one doesn't have any tow hooks on it. And this is a standard pack. And that's how you can tell the standard pack doesn't have tow hooks. And of course with the lighting here, you see it says dynamic adventure lighting here. And you can see the segments here, which is different from the Gen 1 that I have. But outside of that, if you're not really that familiar with it, you wouldn't really be able to tell the difference. And this also is a Gen 2, and this has the sport tires on it with the brights, 22 inches. For some reason, these look bigger than this, but it's all the same size. Just take a look at the interior, and basically everything mostly looks the same except for the speaker grills are different in this one. And this one does have the black mountain with the wood in it. And let's see about this one here. Oh, this one actually has that leather, and I haven't seen this one before. And so this is a forest green one. And I'm not sure, but this is either, well, I don't think they have any large packs, so this must be a max pack. And one thing else is different, they have a window wash camera in the front, which that's new. Let me check this one out. Yeah, same here. So that's standard now. They get a camera with a window washer in the front. So that's pretty cool. Man, that's something I really wish that my vehicle had. And just coming around here, just looking on the inside. And you may not be able to see this. I'm gonna try to block this so you can see. But this actually has a leather instead of the wood. And I think it looks pretty nice. I think that looks pretty nice. And also see the wireless charger in here. And of course it's segmented now. And the speaker grills again look different. You know, they're not the, and this one does not have the premium audio system because it's missing the speakers up top. You may not be able to see that. Let me try to block this so you can see. But there are no speakers up top over the pillars or in the rear. So that is a little different. But just coming around here, everything looks the same. And you probably can't see in here either, but yeah, it all looks the same. And also I can see that this does not have the air compressor. And you probably can't see that. Maybe you can. We'll try to block it so you can see it. But yeah, this does not have an air compressor in the back. Oh, maybe it does. No, it does not. It'll be at the bottom. So this does not have an air compressor. Very interesting. And we're gonna go check out some R1S's, some Gen. Wait a minute, maybe this is one right here. But obviously this is a Gen 1 Rivian here. R1T, it obviously has a tow hooks, and this is a dual motor. You can see right here, and yeah, so this is a Gen 1, and you see it doesn't have the nipples. This LA Silver looks pretty good, and this one actually has the tonneau cover on it. Yeah, this looks pretty good. But yeah, so Gen 1, as you can see some of the differences again, since you see the lights are different. Again, look at the headlights right here. You see how segmented, and because you have turn signals in this also. And then right here are the fog lights. And just come back up here. Now you see how the headlights are different here. And that's supposed to have that dynamic lighting to where the high beams will change. I'm not sure if it's turned on yet, but it would adjust instead of the high beams going off where the car is and located in front of the vehicle. Just turn the lights off there, you know, so it won't blind the person in front of you. But yeah, that's not my problem really. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but that is one of the differences. So yeah, you can just see, just come back here again, you can see there's a clear difference. Of course, this also works as a turn signal. Just get a look at that. And let me know in the comment section if you noticed anything else that's different about this, but for the most part, they look pretty much the same. Again, I talked about the cameras, and this is a Gen 1, you see there's no camera right here, but you still have the one that's right here, and the one that's right here, and then plus it comes with a camera right here, which probably would have been better for me, you know, for a blind spot monitor. But I'm not an engineer, so they probably know a lot better than I do, obviously. But yeah, so that's the difference. Yeah, but let me know what you think in the comment section. You know, if these differences are big enough for you. Well, I guess one of the other biggest differences is all the hardware that they updated, and the processing ability of the computers and the modules that they put in. So that's obviously a lot better, you know, something you can't really see on the surface. But yeah, this looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. You know, is it enough for me to make a purchase switch, to purchase a new one? No, it's not. We'll see how my blind spot cameras look. I mean, I made it this long without them, you know, so something like that is not a deal breaker for me anyway. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I probably will be putting in an order for the quad Ascent, and that's only for the YouTube channel. Otherwise, I'm perfectly fine with what I have. But it'd be nice to get that on the drag strip just to see what it can do, and that will only be for content purposes only, not for anything that I really need, obviously. But yeah, so I think these things look great. And it looks like Rivian is going in the right direction. And they do have my vehicle up in there right now. It's in the service center. You can probably see it right there. And hopefully they get it fixed today. I really hope so. If not, they did give me a Rivian loaner. And it is Old Faithful Blue. This is probably the third time I had this blue Rivian right here. But yeah, so happy to at least have a loaner vehicle. And today is a Friday. And if they don't fix it, they say they may still be done with it by tomorrow or Saturday, and I can still pick it up on the weekend. So that'd be great if I can get my Rivian back. But I'm fine right now because they had this nice blue Rivian right here. And another thing I noticed since the last time I was here, and I'll put in some video footage from my last trip here to the service center. But the last time I came here, they had a lot of Rivian R1Ts. This is all full. And they have a lot of new Rivians over here. This may be the most I've ever seen. A lot of R1Ts. And so that may mean that they have a lot of R1T inventory. But the last time I came here, they had a lot of Rivian R1Ts. This is all full. And now let me show you what we have here. This is all empty. And you only have 2 Rivian R1Ts right here. And nothing. No R1Ss at all. And there's an R1T, but it has license plates of someone's vehicle. But yeah, nothing. Just these 2 vehicles right here. Neither one of these are quad motors. These are both dual motors, so if you got a quad motor, you probably got your rare one. And because they won't be existing anymore unless you're probably going to end up paying about $115,000 for one. We'll find out what the price is going to be. If it's like $120, no, I won't. I absolutely wouldn't get it at that price. It wouldn't be worth it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know, if you're a Gen 1 owner, how do you feel about all the updates they made to the Gen 2? Was it something you were expecting? And, you know, do you feel a little salty that you missed out? Especially like me, I just purchased a quad motor R1S recently, but I'm pretty happy with it because it's a quad motor and it has the forest green. It has a forest edge interior, and they don't even make that anymore. It's not even available as an option, and that's what my wife wanted. So I'm totally happy and totally satisfied with that purchase, especially at that great lease price we got. In all ways, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. But that's all I have for today. I'd like to thank you for joining me once again, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.